You know, we had some sort of plan.
More or less, then.
Yeah, you know, it was.
Come on, just tell the story, Tamuka. You can't do that.
Nah, I won't. So we wrote ExQ wrote Nhema around 2018, right? I finished everything, and he was like, you know what? I want to put Killer T on this song. So this whole time we couldn't really get in contact with Killer T. Sometimes we'll meet. It's like, oh no, I'll come. And then around 20, Telltale was
2018.
Later 2018, right? Killer T just pops. He's here to see Ja at the studio.
You're like, we got a tune for
And
you.
X is like, Killer and Donna Killer Panza. Ha! I pull the tune. I go to his car. I'm like, you? I was about to come on. Oh, flash that. So let's do this now. Now. Like
what
this.
is it? What is it about that record that is? It's got that sungura, like this.
So X had to wait because the perfect person to execute that hook was Killer T. You know, that Museve and this rustic voice. There was no one. We tried to think to say, who else can do this? We tried. Macheso was a bit out of reach, but if it wasn't Killer T, it was going to be Alec Macheso.
Alec would have murdered it.
He would have murdered
But
it.
I cannot hear that song with Ngoma Alec on it.
Bro, no. Killer T got into the studio. One. And X is like, bro, mix and master it right now. Mixed it, mastered it. Boom, MP3 per disc. Papi's like, wait. So that gave us the fuel for the album. And Papi's like, no, we got this song, bro. Let's do an album now.
How did you get people like Madiz to be on that album?
No, Madiz has always been an OG to me because we grew up literally in the same hood.
Koba.
So there's a story that Madiz knows. Only Madiz knows. It's called Ndirongadzoke. So Ndirongadzoke. So I grew up at my grandma's place, right? We're like 20 of us was Zukuru. Papi kwasadza maplates ari kupakirwa akazara chi. Unenge wakajegera pakitchen unit wakaaya kuti iyo ine nyama yakawanda ndo yangu iyo. Chinzi chiuya mutore maplates tofani wanotora chi. On the way mucorridor kuenda kusitting ndikurova chichibva because anything can happen. Uchisvika uchinogara pasi so kubva kwashedzwa kitchen kuti ndirongadzoke. So what would have happened is pane munhu wana akanganwikwa. So makukamurirwa, you know. Bro. So that used to happen. It was a thing, Kugeto. So Madiz. So we used to talk about it. So now Madiz, 3 weeks ago, I'm working to Avondale. God damn, it's Madiz. So Madiz has always been part.
Madiz is an underrated tune.
Yeah, bro. So he's always been a part of, and X has got a soft spot for Madiz, bro. Like
and they go way back as well.
Yeah, with the dancers, we got the dancers from Madiz for the
Get out of here.
Yeah.
The dancers in
X's
band.
Yeah, they were dancing for Madiz.
Oh, that's why they got
so Madiz like, I know I can loan them. Moita, boom, come on, go chichi. You know, and Madiz, X is like, I need Madiz on this album. That's when we did that song with Madiz on Telltale.
Yeah.
One of the most significant songs on that album also was